Finding doctors. Finding doctors in the Philippines can be done through various methods. Here are some ways to locate healthcare professionals in the Philippines. Finding a doctor should be taken very seriously. Of course, it's a matter of life and death. I'm going to give you five places to check or five places to go. And then at the end of this video, I will give you five more. And I'll tell you then who my doctor is in the hospital he is affiliated with. Why is a hospital so important? Because the doctor you choose, he's going to be working with a specific hospital. If that hospital does not meet your standards, then you got the wrong doctor, right? So, number one on that list, hospitals and clinics. Visit local hospitals and clinics. Most hospitals have a roster of doctors in different specialties. You can visit the hospital or clinic in your area and inquire about available doctors. There are online directories. Use online directories. There are several online directories and platforms that list doctors and healthcare facilities. Websites like DOKTOR Philippine Hospitals or Health Grades Philippines allow you to search for doctors based on location, specialty, and other criterias. Another good source is insurance providers. Contact your health insurance provider. If you have health insurance, your provider can provide you with a list of accredited doctors and healthcare facilities covered by your insurance plan. Here's a very important one, recommendations. Seek recommendations from friends, family, or colleagues. Personal recommendations can be valuable in finding a doctor in the Philippines with a good reputation and track record. And number five, check with professional medical associations. The Philippines has various medical associations, such as the Philippine Medical Association (PMA), and specifically and then specially specific organizations. Their websites and offices can provide information on qualified doctors. Please watch the video. You'll pick up some other pointers. On the tail end of this, when I'm giving you my comments, I'm going to tell you who my doctor is and how I found him in the hospital he's associated with.
The Philippines is a country located in Southeast Asia, known for its stunning beaches, delicious cuisine, and hospitable people. The country has a population of over 109 million people, and its healthcare system is divided into private and public sectors. The public healthcare system is run by the government, while the private healthcare system is operated by various private organizations. In this video, we will discuss how to find and register with a local doctor in the Philippines, how doctors' appointments are paid for, and how to transfer medical documents from abroad. Finding and registering with a local doctor in the Philippines is relatively easy. The country has a number of public and private hospitals and clinics that offer a variety of medical services. You can find a list of registered medical practitioners on the website of the Professional Regulation Commission, PRC, which is the government agency that regulates and supervises the practice of various professions, including medicine. To register with a local doctor, you will need to bring a valid identification card, ID, with a photo, referral letter from your previous doctor, and your medical history. Doctors or physicians provide primary health care. Medical personnel in the Philippines are well trained. If a patient needs further evaluation, they are referred to a specialist. If you need to see a specialist, you will have to ask your doctor for a referral, who will then give you a referral letter. Specialists can be expensive, but cost can be covered by private medical insurance. However, the specialist must be accredited by the insurance provider and the cost must also be approved by the provider before taking any further action. To find a dentist, you can go to any healthcare facility accredited by Full Health. Note that Full Health only covers dental procedures done in accredited hospitals. If you have a private medical insurance, you can call your provider or visit their website to search for accredited dentists. The Philippines is one country where expats find dental problems a non-issue. This is because dental care comes cheap yet excellent by international standards. The Philippines boasts of highly skilled and licensed dental practitioners who offer a variety of services, ranging from the most basic oral cleaning procedures to the most high-tech techniques in cosmetic surgery. Indeed, in the Philippines, an expat enjoys a combination of first-rate dental care and affordability that is a rather rare combination these days. Most insurance providers charge an additional premium for dental coverage. An appointment must always be made first before visiting a dentist. Call or visit the hospital that the dentist is affiliated with or any clinics the dentist has. Similar to your first visit with a doctor, you will be asked to complete a form requiring your personal details and dental history. The form will then be kept on file, including any medical records resulting from your consultations with the dentist. Again, always bring Pocky Money, Full Health Card or private medical insurance card when visiting a dentist. You can make an appointment by calling the doctor's office or clinic directly or through an online booking system. If you are unsure which doctor to see, you can ask for a referral from a friend, family member, or another medical professional. In the Philippines, doctor's appointments can be paid for through private healthcare insurance or out of pocket. The government also provides a universal healthcare program called Full Health, which provides medical coverage to eligible citizens and permanent residents. Full Health covers a portion of the cost of medical services, including doctor's appointments, hospitalization, and laboratory tests. Private healthcare insurance is also available in the Philippines. Many employers offer healthcare insurance as a benefit to their employees. Additionally, there are several private insurance companies that offer various healthcare plans. To transfer your medical documents to a doctor in the Philippines from abroad, you will need to have them translated into English. The translated documents should then be authenticated by the Philippine Embassy or consulate in the country where the documents were issued. This process is known as authentication or legalization. Once the documents have been authenticated, you can send them to your doctor in the Philippines through courier services. Some doctors may also accept digital copies of medical documents, so it is best to check with your doctor beforehand. Healthcare is an important consideration for expat retirees in the Philippines. Understanding the healthcare system and having appropriate medical coverage are crucial for addressing health-related concerns. Research healthcare options in the Philippines and consider obtaining comprehensive health insurance that covers both routine medical care and emergencies. Ensure that the insurance plan includes access to reputable hospitals and clinics, as well as coverage for any pre-existing conditions. Find a trusted local doctor or medical professional who can provide primary care and address any specific health needs. Seek recommendations from other expats or consult with expat-focused healthcare providers who can guide you in finding reliable medical professionals. Stay proactive about maintaining your health. Adopt a healthy lifestyle, eat nutritious meals, engage in regular exercise, and prioritize preventive healthcare. In the event of a medical emergency, familiarize yourself with the nearest hospitals and emergency services in your area. Keep a list of important contact numbers, including emergency hotlines and your insurance provider's contact information. By proactively addressing cultural misunderstandings, finding ways to cope with homesickness, and being prepared for healthcare-related concerns, you can overcome the challenges of retiring as an expat in the Philippines. Embrace the opportunities for personal growth, seek support when needed, and approach challenges with resilience and an open mind. Engage in meaningful activities that align with your interests and values. Volunteer for local causes, join hobby groups or take up new hobbies or classes. This not only keeps you mentally and physically active but also allows you to make a positive impact in your community. To add, stay physically active by taking advantage of the natural beauty and outdoor activities available in the Philippines. Explore the stunning beaches, go hiking or biking, or participate in local sports or exercise classes. Regular physical activity improves overall well-being and helps maintain a healthy lifestyle. Stay connected through various communication channels, send email, write letters to keep in touch with loved ones. Keeping a journal and sharing updates, photos, and stories about your life in the Philippines can help bridge the distance and keep relationships strong. Create a support system in the Philippines. Building a network of friends and fellow expats who understand the challenges of living abroad can provide emotional support and companionship. Engage in social activities, join clubs, or attend community events to meet like-minded individuals and foster new friendships. Maintain your cultural traditions and customs. Incorporate elements from your home country into your daily life in the Philippines. Finding and registering with a local doctor in the Philippines is relatively easy. And there are a variety of medical services available through public and private hospitals and clinics. Doctors' appointments can be paid for through private healthcare insurance, out of pocket, or through the Full Health Universal Healthcare Program. Transferring medical documents from abroad involves having them translated into English and authenticated by the Philippine Embassy or consulate in the country where the documents were issued. With these guidelines, navigating the healthcare system in the Philippines should be a breeze. The Philippines is among the biggest exporters of medical staff, and many doctors and nurses are leaving the country. The departure of skilled professionals affects the public healthcare system, meaning that expats typically opt for private hospitals and healthcare services. So, foreign nationals and their dependents will have insurance coverage, with access to affordable pharmaceuticals and public facilities. In addition, all hospital staff across the Philippines speak English. Yet, the quality of services and technology varies, with urban areas having state-of-the-art equipment and many rural hospitals lacking essential items. The private healthcare services in the Philippines are perceived as relatively cheap by most expats. The private facilities are getting more popular and serve as a medical tourism destination for the country. Better medical equipment and faster treatment are common in private healthcare providers in comparison to their public counterpart. Lastly, it's essential to have a contingency plan for medical emergencies. Consider having a designated emergency contact person back home, who can coordinate with local authorities or healthcare providers if needed. Embrace the opportunities for personal growth, seek support when needed, and approach challenges with resilience and an open mind. With the right mindset and preparations, you can navigate these obstacles and enjoy a fulfilling retirement experience in the Philippines.
I hope you enjoyed that short clip on how to find doctors. Continuing from what I said earlier, I'm going to give you 5 more sources to check out on how to find a doctor. Excuse me. Online health platforms. Use online health platforms. Some online platforms connect patients with healthcare professionals. These platforms may allow you to schedule appointments, read reviews, and find doctors in your area. Number 7, government health services. Explore government health services. The Department of Health, the DOH, in the Philippines oversees public health initiatives. Local health offices may provide information on government affiliated health care professionals. 8. Telehealth services. Consider telehealth services. Platforms have become increasingly popular. They allow you to consult with doctors online, which can be convenient, especially for non-emergency situations. Now, with that particular one, I have not heard or seen too many people doing the telehealth. Unlike the States, it's becoming more and more popular. Number 9, university, hospitals, and medical schools. I like this one too. Contact university hospitals. Medical schools and university hospitals often have highly qualified faculty members. Contacting these institutions can help you find specialists and general practitioners. Social and media forums. Join health related forums and social media groups. They are online communities where people share their healthcare experiences and recommendations. However, be cautious and verify information obtained from online services. So here's a little note. When seeking a doctor, consider factors such as the doctor's specialty location, availability, and any specific requirements you may have. If you need a dentist, you're not going to go talk to a heart surgeon, I guess is what they're saying, which makes sense. It's only essential to verify the credentials and qualifications of healthcare professionals before making a decision. Allow, always consult with reputable sources, and if possible, check the patient reviews and testimonials. So I feel very fortunate and humbled that the doctor I found was through a friend, and that was number four on my list. And I told you that was very important earlier. Uh, Recommendations. Ask for recommendations. Seek recommendations from friends, family, and colleagues. Personal recommendations can be valuable in finding a doctor with a good reputation and track record. I'll drop a doctor in a heartbeat if he's got a bad attitude. No doubt about it. I have three daughters that are in the medical field. They tell me stories that I just sometimes I cringe. And I found my doctor through a very, very close friend. She explained to me that she comes from a family of medical personnel, and her uncle had worked in the hospital that this doctor practices. My doctor's name is Dr. Lawrence Chad U. Liu, Liu, Dr. Lawrence Liu. He works at the Mayo Hospital in Mindanao, just right outside Cebu City in Cebu. Okay, check it out. You know, I'm doing a video right now that I'm going to be posting shortly about hospitals. He works at this hospital. So, real quick, funny story about Dr. Liu. I asked my girlfriend, I says, does this man speak English? And she looked at me like, you didn't tell me he had to speak English. I says, are you kidding me? You're going to translate what's wrong with me, or if I my checkup, that he's going to interpret it through you, and then you to me, and then vice versa. I says, that ain't happening. So I honored my appointment, and going to the appointment, you can tell right off the bat he spoke phenomenal, great English. And I told him the story, and we laughed for about 15 minutes. So she got me on that one. Dr. Lou comes from New York. He practiced medicine in New York for 25 years. He's a general practitioner. He is actually the medical director of the Mayo Clinic Hospital. It became a hospital, I believe, during the pandemic because of the shortage of hospitals and facilities to help people with COVID. It just so happens, the Mayo Hospital is owned by, guess who? The Liu family, Liu. One of the reasons why they wanted him out here for a long time, and he was very comfortable with his family in New York City. The Mayo. To be honest with you, when I first saw that name, the first thing that came to me was, "Are you kidding me?" The Mayo Clinic. Okay, they just added another A to it. So actually, Mayo means in the Philippines good. All right. So turns out that the Liu family, LIU, who Dr. Lawrence Liu is the medical director of this hospital. His family owns the MAAYO company. So they have hospital, they have, excuse me, hotels, they own a shipping line. So this is no fly by night operation. There is a hotel that is also used as hospital beds next door to the hospital. Now, I can't speak highly enough of Dr. Liu. I go see him regularly to get checkups. The hospital that he works with is they have their own dentistry, they have their own eye care. I mean, this is a full blown out hospital. I've gone in there to get ultrasounds, x rays, blood workup. I'm a diabetic, so, he prescribed me the medications that I needed. He's a no nonsense doctor. And the only reason why I'm giving you a good plug uh, for, uh, for him is the guy is really true blue. He doesn't have to be seeing patients, but he has the passion for helping people. And that's what you want to find in somebody. He's got great bedside manners. The guy speaks perfect English. He knows how to communicate. He knows what your standards are, and he over exceeds them. Dr. Liu, LIU. So check him out. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, the hospitals, I'm doing a video on hospitals and how to find hospitals in the Philippines. Please, please, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're reminded of the next video I got coming out. Guys, be safe, and I'll talk to you later.